friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 1st to the 7th. And I'm so happy it's March and I hope this winter is over. Dealing with so much snow in the last week, and I think a lot of subscribers on the East Coast know what we're talking about. Okay, in this video, we have very cheap Snuggle, and that is something to keep an eye out for. We also have a lot of boosters that showed up last Wednesday, and a lot of these are valid for an entire month, and some of them are valid for a week. Load all of them right away. Only one of my accounts got a 7 back when you buy 35 on general merchandise, which you're going to probably stack with a couple of these. So load them. We have a 5 back when you buy any two, I think it's women-founded brands. 15 back when you buy 45 in P&G Dental Care. That's also for general merchandise. I also saw, and I'm going to show you a slide of that in a couple. 5 on any two ear or eye items. That's a tongue twister to say. And a 5 back when you buy 3 dental care products. This is the other one I saw in the ad. It's online only. Top left-hand corner. Spend 45 to earn back 15 in Walgreens cash. And we have that gorgeous Tide Pod in the back. Take a note of that because we're going to talk about that in a bit. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 1st. Dive into the deals. If you can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so greatful. Really helps out the channel. And if you have the hype button, please press it. Okay, the first super deal is the $3.99 Snuggle and $2 reward, and it says $1 off digital coupon over on IBOTTA. Hopefully they don't pull it. 75-cent rebate when you buy one of these bottles of magic. So doing this deal, just very basic, grabbing one of these for $3.99, subtracting your $1 digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.99, get back a $2 register reward and 75-cent back from IBOTTA, making it 24 cents. If they pull that IBOTTA rebate, which they've been known to do, it'll be 99 cents. Check any store and then also the Walgreens in case they move it from Walgreens to any store. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but to get softener at that price and it's Snuggle, I would definitely stock up. Deal that I'm absolutely loving this week is the $2.99 Palmolive and Suavitel. Usually they give you a digital for both the Palmolive and the Suavitel, so you'll have to get a mix of one of each. But in smaller markets, they only have the Palmolive, so 2 of those would be $5.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $2.50 register reward, which is really generous. It makes it $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per dish soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, meaning you could spend Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, and what a deal for very cheap dish soap. And the Olay Old Spice probably at $7, $5 reward when you buy 3. That 7 off is usually for the more expensive Olays, so I think we're going to be getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. 3 of these for $21, subtracting the 5 off of 3, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is probably the best dental care deal of the week for $3.50 for the Oral-B brushes or the toothpaste, the cheapest ones. $5 reward when you buy 3 and a 5 off 3 digital coupon. 3 units of the Crest is $10.50. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $5.50. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per item. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but for 16 cents, this is the cheapest price we've seen for toothbrushes or the cheapy Crests. I mean, I would definitely stock up this week because I think it's fantastic. Now, for those of you that like the fancier Hello toothpaste, and I'm in that pool as well because I really like that Hello toothpaste, they're probably going to be $5. And then a $5 reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off 2 digital. I saw this deal a couple months back, so 2 of those for $10. Subtracting that coupon, it's going to be $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So we're going to have to see, is it a 3 off a 1 or a 3 off a 2. I'm guessing it's a 3 off a 2 starting on Sunday. And the Scott, we have a $1.25 Walgreens coupon. Will we also get a manufacturer with this? Yes or no? That's the question. Right now it's going to be $7.50 for the 2 with the Walgreens store coupon. Really has potential to be something a little bit better if it had like $2 coupons, $5.50 for 2. We see that some weeks. That would be really nice. And we also have the $8 Dove body wash, $2 reward when you buy 2 with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the Doves, I prefer the sensitive. That'll be 16. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're going to pay 11. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're in desperate need for the Dove body wash, this is not a bad little deal if this is your favorite. Another deal is with the Gillette and Venus, and then the shave creams are part of it. We're looking at the razors at $8 and some change, and a shave cream for $2.99. 3 of those products, like a men and women's disposable, and then a shave gel, that's 16 or 16 and some change. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, hopefully we get those. You're going to pay 10. Get back a $5 register reward. It'll make it 5 for 3 or $1.66 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is buy one get one 50% off for Listerine. We're going to be looking at the $10.99 bottles. You can get smaller ones, but it's the liter ones, so more bang for your buck. 2 of them will be $16.48. Subtracting that dollar digital, it's $15.48. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.48 for the 2 or $5.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And let's pay attention to that Listerine really carefully, because I think it might be part of 2 different deals this week, which is really great. We also have the $3.49 Febreze household products. This is from last week, so if you missed it or if you were snowed in, grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $6.98. Subtracting that $3.50 off of 2, you're paying $3.48 for the 2 or $1.74 for a small space or an air effect. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Dawn Power Wash, again, if you were snowed in or you missed this deal last week, we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and it's priced at $4.99. The refills are $3.99, so grabbing 2 of those, it's $7.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per refill. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This out. Earn $10 reward when you spend $25 or more. That's the booster that we loaded, and look, that Listerine is peeking out. So if it's part of 2 different promotions, yes, we're going to do the 2. $16 a Listerine and $10 a hair care. But right now, grabbing 2 of the most fanciest Head & Shoulders at $13 a pop. We have a $4 and a $5 digital. That's $9 coming off. Have your booster loaded with your debit card, you're going to pay $17. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. As the promotion is to spend $25 to earn back that $10, I recommend paying with your debit card until we can see the stickers in the store on Sunday. 7 for 2 or $3.50 per unit, not bad. If other items are part of it, such as Listerine, we can really make a deal happen. I know that offhand Garnier and Tresemme are also part of this promotion next week. Remember, as it says spend, use your debit card for the balance. Don't use Walgreens cash for this one. Okay, now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to 3 for $15.99 for Canada Dry, A&W Root Beer, or the 7-Up. You can mix and match or get 3 of 1. I know a lot of you really enjoy soda, so this is probably a better deal than paying $11.99 for one 12-pack. And we also have these nice brand nuts, a very sizable bag as well for $2.99. If you need a quick filler for a basket, it is not a bad one. And then we also have a lot of frozen food on clearance too, so I would keep an eye out for that. The Cheez-Its are on a buy one, get one free promotion, so if you need to stock up on crackers, that's not a bad deal. $10.99 for Tide liquid and the pods. With the $3 coupon, it's $7.99, and I believe it's part of the spend $45 to earn back $15. So yes, this is definitely going to be critical for our deals next week. And we have the 2 for $7 or $3.50 for the Doritos, Tostitos, the different salsas and chips. I used to be a Cool Ranch girl back in the day. And the final honorable mention is the 3 for $9 for these 24 counts of the water. So if you went through a really big snowstorm and were housebound without power for a couple days, you know the value in this, $3 per case, not bad. That's it for this video, and in case you missed, the Dollar General is having a clearance event. Link a video right here. You should probably check it out this weekend. Bye, guys.